Okay, let's check the presentation of MRX 72E. Okay, how it works the printer. So if you have installed the MRX 72, this is the discontinued model. Okay, so we will show you today the new one, new model. Okay, with good capabilities, and then in the middle of the presentation, as we will take this some parameters in common with market image, so we can compare. So here we are better, market not, so or market are better than us. But here, okay, so let's.
Yeah, for example, about market image, I know that market image can print just 90 degrees, maybe something like that, or maybe something like that, not more. And you can print on different.
Yes, you can print like this,
From under to top also.
by policy is not, because the gravity, it makes that the dust it's coming on the rehead, so it's clogging the nozzles. So this position of printer needs many maintenance, because it need to be cleaned
So many of that.
so often. Okay, but it can print. We have some installations like this, but the customer has the knowledge that depending of the dust in the environment, they need to clean every 1 hour or 30 minutes. I don't know. Okay, but they know that. Okay, but if you install a printer like this in a customer and you tell them it's regular, and they call you, okay, every 15 minutes I have blank lines, so I need to clean. You need
But anyway, we can print market image and not can. We can.
Yeah, but maybe I don't know if they can. No, they cannot. They told you.
I think cannot. I saw the manual for the market image, and it was like print just like this. This one, yeah, it might be a problem. Something like that.
This is the standard. This is an option, but it's the for the prehead. It's the best position. Okay, so that is the standard, the most common installations, and then we can tilt. So we have installations that are running from down to up or vice versa. Okay. Algo, sí, ¿no? ¿Necesitas algo o algo? Sí, nada, después yo sortiré yo que se surto. En aquest bot, tu? Lo que necessito és una taula. Calma, la Maria. Per tocar els nassos. But in that way, from the bottom to the top, we always say no, okay? Because then we have probably.
Yeah, it's clear. What about rotation? I saw that one video on the website about MRX to E, and I saw that this video showed just the character is protected. It's a like option, or I can buy one printer and rotate how I want.
No, that video is from HRX, no MRX 72E. MRX 72E it has the straight tube, okay, and then you can disassemble some parts and some screws, and we make some parts in different. We assemble some parts in different position to put the prehead from side to top. Okay, so we can do that, but we need some time to disassembly and assembly new parts. Well, the same parts. But HRX, it has the flex integration system. Okay, so the prehead you can move like this, just that. Okay, so it's just moving the prehead. We can put it on the top position or snap position.
Okay, and about MRX, this part is included on the standard shipment or
No, it's the same. You don't need any
option. Just one screw, rotate, screw.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, you remove some some screws, disassembly, put here, and assembly, something like that.
Okay, and HRX, it's a new model for me. You'll need some information about Opportunity, how it's works.
No problem. We will see at the beginning of the presentation of the MRX 72E, we have pasted these new printers on a platform called HR. Okay, so that platform is it's a platform, okay, with some boards that with that boards we can make MRX 72E. With that boards we can make, so the same platform. It's 4 different models of printers we have now and we will have. Okay.
Yeah.
So all the knowledge you would have today, it's for the printers we have today, MRX 72E, HRX, and the coming printers. It's based on the same structure and so.
Uh, okay. Also, what about printer apply? You're also responsible for the printer apply.
Yeah, for training, yes.
Okay.
But do you want to see it today?
No, not today. Not today because I installed some printer apply before, and sometimes I'm not understand how it's work exactly. Sometimes I'm had the problem with the it not touch the product, go away.
Okay.
With the pressure, I don't know how it's work.
Yeah. Without, so we have a model that can blow the.
Yeah, right. Another one. The model watch the plate should touch to the product, but to auction or the pressure is too high, or it's no pressure. You know that no, it not touch, and it was difficult for me to
Adjust.
adjust. Yes,
On the new printers we have the pressure, it's digital for the adjustment. Okay, so you have not a manual sensor, so you have a digital, so you can put that value at 350, so you can you can see okay a bit more 360. So now it's so with a certain accuracy. Okay, so you can adjust that.
main problem was okay. I'm adjusted to from the one day, for example, and it's work. Next day, and this is no pressure.
Okay,
And arrow. Okay, I'm adjust again. It's a normal. Next day, it's a high pressure. It changes from time to time.
but maybe that is because of the line general line of air pressure.
It was 6 bar every pass. Yeah,
Uh, with our printer, with a print and apply.
this printer, this printer. It was a printer applied from you and zebra printer inside. Yeah, and it was some problem for me. Okay, after 3 5 days on the factory because it was a reproduction line. I'm I'm was responsible for the all line, all transporters, and bringer apply was just like a part. And after 5 days of works, but it was something strange for me. Work, not work, work, not work.
Yeah.
That's why.
Well, we can check that. So now we have the contact. So if you need in some assistance in place, so just call us. Hey, tomorrow I'm going to this factory, so I will need help. We will be available. Yeah, super. Okay. So that's so the just a step before the printer you have installed. Okay, it's a technology we have been using since 2005. Okay, so today it's the end of its days. And regarding the electronics, okay, the electronics will be with this printer completely new. Okay, then the prehead it's the same. The prehead you have on this MRX 72, it's the same we are using with 72E. Okay, and the hydraulic part it's quite the same because the ink tank internal and all the ways to move the tubes and all of that it's the same. So since 2005 we have quite experience on of that. So the printer it's really improved with that technology. Okay. Mm. Okay, let's see some tips of the printer. Okay, that is the printer with the stand. Okay, so that is the tube we have been talking before. Okay, so to put the prehead, now it's in side position. Okay, to put the prehead in top position, here in the below part we have a cover. Okay, so we remove some screws. Okay, move that and plug it again. So we will need to take off the covers and some parts, but with the same items we can assemble the prehead in the side or in the top part. Okay, the thing is that if for top printing positions, okay, if we will have a printer like this inside, so the box is passing through like this. If we need to print in top position, probably the prehead will need to go deep in the line because we will put it inside of the conveyor. So by default, when a customer order a printer in top position, this tube is longer, it's 250 millimeters. Okay, so it's longer. So you can put that at home with your printer in top position, but you can order the kit. So the kit, it's just some cables, some longer cables, a tube, a new tube, in tube, and a longer tube. Okay.
Okay, that means if I want to install in top position, I should order from the start the top position
Yeah, if you need that tube longer. Okay.
tube longer. Okay.